Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years. We're dedicated to delivering quality auto parts, expert customer service, fast and free shipping, all backed by our 100% satisfaction guarantee. We've created thousands of videos to help you install our parts with confidence, and that saves you time and money. So visit us at 1aauto.com, your trusted source for quality auto parts.
In this video, we're going to be working with our 2012 GMC Acadia. We're going to show you how to remove and replace your front turn signal bulb. We're doing this on the passenger side, but this process will be the same on the driver's side. If you like this video, please click subscribe. We have a ton more information on this and many other makes and models. And if you ever need parts for your vehicle, you can follow the link down in the description over to 1aauto.com. Here are the items you'll need for this repair. This job can easily be done on the ground, but we're going to raise and support our vehicle to make it easier to film and show you what's going on. Turn your wheel into whatever side you're working on. We're going to be working on the passenger side, so we'll cut our wheel all the way to the left. If you're working on the driver's side, you'll want to cut the wheel all the way to the right. Remove the 7 T20 Torx screws. We have 2 on the bottom here, and 5 running up along the back side of the bumper and the fender. From this point, we can peel the inner fender liner backwards, just enough that you should be able to look inside and access the back of the housings. We are going to remove the series of plastic clips from the inside to remove the front half of the inner fender, just to make it easier to film and show you what you're looking for. Remove the 8 plastic clips securing the inner fender well in. We have 3 in the top area here, 1 over at the front in the middle, 2 down at the bottom, and these 2 at the back of the front portion of the liner at the bottom in the middle here. There's a few different ways to remove these style clips. I like to try to take a small flat blade screwdriver and work up the center part of the clip just a little. Once you get it up some, if you have the room to get in there with a pair of side cutters, you can sneak them underneath and then pry up evenly from both sides. Once the center's out, you can pop the lower portion out the same way. Remove the wheel liner. Pull out on the bottom portion here and pull down and forward to release the front half of the wheel well from the rear and sneak it out of the bottom. Your turn signal bulb is located all the way on the inside of the headlight at the very bottom in the front toward the bumper. It sits much farther forward than your headlights do. To make it easier to show you and to give us a little more room to work, this big connector here can be pulled off the bottom of the housing by simply pulling back. Now we can see our turn signal bulb all the way there on the inside edge. Disconnect that connector and turn the whole assembly counterclockwise to remove it from the housing. Install your new turn signal bulb and turn 1 click clockwise to lock it into place. Snap the electrical connector back in. The tab faces in toward the engine. Then we'll hook this tab back into its slot and put our connector back in place. Reinstall your inner wheel well liner. You can do this by pushing it up from the bottom and rotating it in over the tire. Be sure that the top slides in to place behind the rear liner, as well as on the sides. Once you have some holes lined up, you can start installing your 8 push pins. Set them up like this. Install the bottom half, and then pop the tab into place. Reinstall your 7 T20 Torx screws. We'll start them a couple of threads by hand before we install them with our socket and ratchet.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.